also found, I think it's a present. What's, yes. What's that? Chocolate? Yeah. So we also get free chocolate, but that's nice.
Of course, I will keep the box.
Alright, bye Igloo. Goodbye. It was fun. Bye. So guys, we just arrived to Oulanka National Park. Currently it's minus 17 degrees outside. Minus 17. I can't remember the last time I was outside when it was this cold. Probably in my childhood back in Lithuania, when winters used to be like minus 25 or even minus 30. Now it's not like that. It doesn't even snow anymore. Global warming, it's real. It's real. So, we came here after having a great time in our igloos, and actually we did no research before coming here. The only thing we saw was a few Instagram posts from here, and it looked completely outstanding. So that's the reason why we're here. I think we still have like 2 hours or 1.5 hours of sunlight left, and it's 12 at the moment, so I'm hoping to explore as much as possible until we still have light, and later maybe, if we will not get too cold, just make a few long exposure photos, because I saw some great pictures here with ice and water. It was just amazing. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to explore the park. Oh, we've been here. Grand Canyon. Filmmaker's life. Cold?
Pretty cold.
Pretty cold. Only minus 17.
Nothing for
Nothing.
me, nothing.
We're used to it.
It's like a piece of cake.
Look at this sign. I never saw a sign like that. Snowflake.
It means it's snowy.
No, couldn't be that. Okay, I think we figured out what the snowflake means. It means that path actually is not a path, it's ice. So, and unfortunately we have probably the worst shoes you can get for this kind of weather. It's supposed to be good, our Timberlands, but they're super slippery. So imagine us going on icy surfaces with them. Nope, that's impossible, but we're willing to see. We're here to explore, but we're super slow. Look at Lena.
I'm holding this because it's too cold.
Frozen waterfall. Woo. And I think it's more than minus 17 because we're getting frozen.
And here,
Even if
look at my lashes,
lashes.
eyebrows. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's so cold. My fingers feel numb already. I don't know if that's a good sign or bad sign. I tried to do a few long exposure pictures. They didn't turn out the way I wanted, but it's just too cold to spend too much time here taking photos. So we'll try to explore it a bit more. And if it will get too cold, we'll just go back to the car. And now I understand why people before us were running, because it's so cold. It's freezing. Which way? This way. Oh, it's warm. Yep, we got too cold and it got dark as well, so we headed to our Airbnb. This time not that fancy, but the place is huge. That was the only place I could find close to Oulanka National Park, and I think you could fit like 6 people here, or maybe 5. How many do you think we could fit here?
Probably 5.
Yeah, 5, because 2 could sleep here, 1 here,
And 1 puppy.
and 1 puppy. Yeah, so this is a cozy place for us just to sleep, so it's fine. On Airbnb it's called something with sauna, but I'm not sure if we have that. And I don't think that we will have time for that as well, because we still have our school homework to do and deadlines, they're close. So we will spend the rest of the evening here studying and writing essays and scripts. Lina is very happy about that, but you have to do what you must. Alright, about Oulanka National Park, it's huge. And a few hours is clearly not enough. We hiked through one trail and it got dark. And to be honest, minus 17 or minus 20, I don't know, it was really cold. So it's not the best weather to hike. I really don't recommend to do that. But visit Oulanka National Park when you have time and there's more sunlight and it's not that cold. You will enjoy it. Because most of the places I want to take photo was frozen or full of snow. Alright, so I'll end my vlog here because we have to rest and do our homework, because we're going to do some snowmobiling safari and huskies tomorrow in Sarisalka. So, see you in the next one again. Bye!